We are revamping our image, and in order to make your customer experience more enjoyable, we have improved the visual of our website. In order to access the transactional website, you have to log in using your email and password by clicking on the Login icon. By going through the My Account tab, you have access to your customer profile. For example, you will find your shopping carts, order history, and account settings all at the same place. By clicking on the hamburger menu at the top right corner of your screen, you will be able to access the Products page. All product categories are available here. From the home page, it is possible to directly find a product by searching with the name of the product, its color, or its product number. By scrolling the home page, you will have access to the other pages of the website. You also have access to the All Products page at the bottom of the home page. Now, let's take a look at the product as an example to see the new features. The products are classified by categories, and with this visual overhaul, we have streamlined the categories so it's easier to search similar products together. It is always possible to filter and sort the products on the left-hand side of the screen. Let's now see an example of what a product page looks like. It is always possible to access the product descriptions, but the prices will be displayed only if you are logged into your account. When you arrive on the product page, you have access to the different price breaks according to the quantities, the characteristics, as well as the availability of the product. By scrolling on the page, the complementary products will be displayed. If you click on the first edge bending, you will be redirected to the page of the product. By looking at the availability, we can see that there are no quantities available at this branch. However, it is possible to order it from another branch. An estimate of the delivery time is offered. Please note that since the item is not available locally, prices and lead time may vary. If we take another scenario, we can see that by typing a larger quantity, the system will offer us several different options depending on the real-time inventory. Once you've added all the products you needed, go to the cart icon. It is possible to have several shopping carts at the same time. The most recent one will be at the top. At this step, you can revise your order or add a note for each product. Then, you simply need to click on Order. You will be redirected to the first step of the transaction process. In step 1, you must select the type of delivery you want. The second step consists of confirming your order. It is possible to add additional information, such as the purchase order number, a note to a product, and to view the summary of your order. When products are not available at your branch, you can choose an alternative from various options. Please note that by choosing one of the other options, delivery times will differ. Once the confirmation is done, the third and last step is a summary of your order. You will have to choose between a delivery as soon as possible, with as few shipments as possible, or choose a later delivery date. Then, you just have to click on Confirm the order. This guide is meant to facilitate the transition between the two visuals. We hope this video was helpful. Do not hesitate to contact us for any questions.